Here we go, 2010 TSX 2.4 engine. We just finished putting this engine in right now. So ready to start. Let's see what happens. Oil. Okay. All right, there's the engine running smooth. Of course, there's going to be smoke right there. Smoke right there, that's normal. That's from the exhaust manifold. So don't panic, there's no fire. Yeah, let it run. Go ahead, let it run. All right, so this is a JDM engine straight from Japan. And the one that I just took out is right here. Right there. So I don't know how you guys do these ones, but I didn't have to take the transmission out. I left it there, so I was able to pull the engine without disturbing the transmission. A little bit tight, but I had enough room to do that. All right. Try to shift the gears. Just shift all of them. Okay, so that's good. Happy customer, happy mechanic. All right.